Hello, welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, today is all about some tabletop crawling. We have got a 1 metre by 1 metre coffee table and turned it into an indoor crawler track. Let's take a closer look at this course. Oh yeah. Right then guys, so the very start of this course is nice and basic. Literally crawling up some wheels and tyres, all various sizes. The little wheels on the crawlers can get stuck inside the dishes on the wheels as well. So you make your way over all the wheels, trying to do as best you can. And then we climb up our first ramp, which is their cardboard ramp, stacked on two 1/8 scale wheels again. Then across the top, try not to fall off the side, and back down the ramp. Once you've made your way down that ramp then, onto more tyres. Try not to fall off the corners because this is absolutely tight. You can either go back down that tyre into the middle, mess around and so on, or you can try and reverse and park and reverse and park and reverse park your car until you're on the bridge. The bridge will take you back over onto these tyres and back round. What we're going to also do is in a bit, once you've completed this course, is try and do it in reverse. See how that works? Right, let's get some footage and stitch it all together. Today, by the way guys, we are using the Charisma Scale Adventure 1/24 scales. There's one, there's the other. One's a Suzuki Jimmy and one is a Ford F-150. Oh yeah, might even get the little IMAX out as well. We'll see. Right then, here we go. So Ford F-150 up first. Mini Scale Adventure 1/24 scale crawling. Tabletop style. We've got this on level 3 on the remote, so it's a little bit punchy. Over the tyres, you can get stuck in the middles. And then we are on to the first climb. Make our way onto that cardboard ramp. Got a couple of cardboard sticks stuck to that as well. Make it nice and awkward. And here we go, you don't want to fall off the side of here, which is probably what I'm going to do. Oh, almost. Ooh, very sketchy. Come on. Woo, yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Keep it going. Over these tyres. Don't want to get stuck down that middle one, like so. Oh! You're alright. Oh, we're stuck. And we? No. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, time for the Jimmy, let's go. So next up we have a Suzuki Jimmy. This one is a bit top heavy, I'll give my lad that, but I'm not controlling this one. This is my son's. See if you can get round. Don't worry, Reese, just take your time. Be able to get some good footage of that shell bobbing around on the top. Onto the cardboard ramp. Ooh, sketchy. Oh, that was close. Nice. Take it wide, Reese. Oh. No, careful. Reverse. Oh my God. Onto the tyres with a gap in the middle. This can be a bit tricky. Oh. Nice. Come on, Reese. I think he's stuck. I'm going to need a hand on this one. You get to pick it up and replace your car. Hey. Oh, stuck in the same place. Don't panic, just try crawling out of it. A little bit of throttle on the remote. And there's Charlie the RC dog wondering what's going on. Try again, Reese. Keep going, mate, don't worry. Take it wide, nice and wide. That's it. Oh! Look at that, that was so close. Oh, nice. Floor it off here if you can, so the back end don't get caught on that wheel. No, he's knocking the bridge over. Is he stuck? Another time, pick your car up. 3 times. You ain't got to stop there. You can stop there. There you go. Whoop, whoop. Right, so this time I'm going to attempt that bridge in the middle. Coming round off them tyres. Cardboard ramp 1. No problem. Take it as wide as I can. Even get that wheel off the end and then turn in. Nice. Slipping on some of the sellotape. Oh no! This is not good. Save it though. Back wheel. He's just about on that cardboard ramp. Yes. Now somehow I've got to turn round with the hole in the middle to get over that ramp. That is not going to happen. Especially one. Here we go. Let's try again. Hey! I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to face the bridge. Go. Oh, there we go. Oh, that bridge is flexing. Going on to the tyres. Right, I think we need a little bit of a course modification on here. We need to do something about that hole in them tyres to get round. Let's sort it out. So what we've done is dropped a little bit of cardboard down there and a 1/10 little buggy wheel on top. That still bounces around and moves, so we don't want to make it too easy. So just getting over there now as well, you should be able to just make that turn to come off the course a little bit easier. There you go. There you go, nice. Oh, and off. There we go. So, how are we going to get the turning in so you can get over that bridge? Let's have a go with that. Coming down the ramp, I'd say we need to go past the bridge, reverse, and then onto the bridge, like so. Way! That was about to happen then as well, when it really was. Right, let's get all this course set back up. Try getting round. What I'll do is set the camera up on the tripod here and we'll fast forward some loops round and see what we can do. Here we go then, guys, so what I'm going to do is get this footage from this angle. We'll have a plan in a good 15 minutes. Try and see the footage if the car's whizzing round. Right then, guys, so there you have it. The micro crawler course didn't disappoint. Hopefully the video comes across alright when I sped up that footage. Honestly, guys, loads and loads of fun. Really quick and easy to do. If you ain't got spare wheels and tyres hanging around, you could always use like soup tins soap containers, all that sort of stuff, or even build the whole thing out of cardboard. Literally, shoe boxes, cereal boxes, and a bit of sticky tape, and you've got yourself a crawler course. Even using the sticks from the barbecue sets there, just through the cardboard. Again, there's no sellotape there either. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, please drop it a thumbs up. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. By the way, I forgot to mention, these Charisma Scale Adventures are fantastic little pieces of kit for the money. Under £100, completely ready to rock, and you can do yourself some tabletop crawling as well. This was just to show that you could crawl on a table. Literally, you could make this course bigger by putting it on the floor. You could use the sofa and everything else with the pillars on there, build bridges across, you name it. Make a mess of your living room, put all the cardboard in the bin at the end of the day, put the tyres away, put the tins back in the cupboard, and you've got no crawler course left. Anyway, guys, see you on the next one. Whoop, whoop.